So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Audio, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and that the service status is running. If it's not running, click on start, it will then make it running and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on restart the service. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, for you, you're going to be having Bluetooth. I don't have it on my computer, but for you, you should be having Bluetooth right here. You're going to expand Bluetooth. And then when you find your Bluetooth device, you're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. Then you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on every pick from a list. If you see a driver here that comes from your manufacturer of your device, you want to click on it and then click on next, and then you want to install that. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now where it says playback, you want to find your Bluetooth device, you want to double click on it and then click on enhancements. Make sure you have disable all enhancements selected. Click on OK. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to scroll down till you find Bluetooth. Click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. And then once this question comes up, you want to click on yes. It's now going to run this for you. Wait for this to load. And now when this loads up, you just want to scroll down and then go through all the steps that will come up here. Once you complete all of this, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.